All right, we're going to do this isometric drawing over here. They've given us a third angle orthographic projection showing a front view, a top view, and a left view. Okay, it is vitally important that in my isometric view, those are the views that I will see. Right, to start with, they've given you a point A over there in the bottom left-hand corner of this front view, and over here you can see position A, and that would give you a position A over here. The workbook over here has put position A over there, which makes it very difficult for you to actually draw the drawing, and you'll see why in a tick. All right. I'm going to start out and I'm going to draw some construction lines over here. Construction line going there, construction line going there, and then I'm going to measure off. It says that I've got, right, continuing here, just been asked to make these lines a bit darker. Right, here we go. I've got a line going out at a 30-degree angle over there, construction line, 30-degree angle going out there as a construction line. They've given us a diameter of 80 millimeters. Now, if I had to draw a square around this circle over here, what length sides will that square have? They'll be 80 millimeter sides. All right, so what I need to do over here is I'm going to measure off 40 millimeters, and you'll see why I'm measuring off 40 millimeters. Going to measure off 40 millimeters over there and 40 millimeters over there. The reason why I want to do that is that I want to get the center of the circle. Long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. You should all know that story. What am I doing? Marking the center. Long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. And once I've got that, I can now start doing some wonderful stuff with getting a circle. It's got an 80 millimeter diameter, therefore it's a 40 millimeter radius, isn't it? Okay, so you take your 40 millimeters, you place it in the center there, and you are going to draw just a normal construction line circle. Just a standard construction line circle from the center. Once I've got that, I'm then going to draw tangents, not tangents. I'm going to draw lines coming from the points where it intersects that circle over there, where it intersects the circle over there. There we go. And over there. What have I done? I have constructed a square with 80 millimeter sides, except it is in isometric. It's no longer a standard square with 90-degree angles. Okay? Once I've got that, I can now take a line going from that obtuse angle over there across to the center over there. From the obtuse angle up to that center over there. And then what I like to do is I can take a line which goes from there to there. And then I can go to the obtuse angle over there. If I've drawn accurately, it should all go perfectly through that point over there and draw a line going perfectly through that point over there. Once I've got that, I can now take my pair of compasses and I can extend them. I'm going to go from this obtuse angle first, extend them out to that point over there. Note, from the obtuse angle to the center point. And I go around like that, and I draw a nice solid arc in there. I go to that corner over there, and I'm going to draw a nice solid arc in over there. And I'm going to take my pair of compasses. Note, my radius is getting smaller to that point over there. Check that it fits perfectly and draw in that arc perfectly over there. Go down to that point, it should be the same radius. Check that it fits perfectly and draw in that arc perfectly over there. All right, we're going to continue now drawing the circle over here. Now you can construct another square, which is definitely the most accurate way of going about drawing that second circle, you can see that this thing has a depth of 20 millimeters over here. So I need to basically draw in another circle over here, exactly 20 millimeters away. All right? Ideally, I suppose we should draw in that square. So I'm going to take a center line. Note this, you get marks for this line, so you may as well put it in long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. There we go. I get a mark for that, so put it in. I need to have a circle drawn 20 millimeters away, so I need to measure off 20 millimeters. Measure off 20 millimeters over here to find the center of my new circle. I'm going to put in center lines with this green pencil just to show the long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. Go over here. Long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash. There we go. Okay, and once I've done that, I can then start by drawing my construction line. Circle again. What is the radius of that circle? It needs to be exactly the same as this circle over here. So there's my measurement of 40 millimeters. Go to the center of that. I'm going to draw a whole lot darker this time. There's my circle. Okay. There's my circle that I'm going to use. You can see the intersections of where the center lines are going through that circle. Take your set square, draw a line going down there. Take your set square where it cuts the circle over there. Draw a line going across there. Where it's cutting the circle over there, draw a line coming down here. And where it's cutting the circle over here, draw a line going across there. There is the second square that you need in order to draw that circle. What's my next step? I'm going to take lines going from the obtuse angle over there, and I'm going to take those out to the center over there. I'm going to take a line out from the obtuse angle to the center over there. Go to this obtuse angle over here. Take a line from that obtuse angle in there to the center over there. Take a line from this obtuse angle over here to that center over there. Whoops, got a kink in the board. Right. I've now found the centers that I need. You should find that they have exactly the same radii. Okay, let's just have a look at this. Note this radii from there to there. Okay, that radius over there. I now pop it into that green square that I've got, and I should have exactly the same radius, which is going to come in over here. I can draw that in dark straight away. I now have two other little arcs over here. Now, do not draw these in dark straight away. You're going to take a radius like that. Go to that point over there. Should be exactly the same as the previous radius. And you're going to draw a construction line arc over here. Okay, construction line arc over there. Same story up here. Do a construction line arc over here. You then are going to take your set square and you slide it until you are making a tangent between that arc over there and that arc over there, and you're going to draw that in at that point. Take it over here, slide it until you have a tangent between those two circles. There we go. And once we've got that, I can now darken in those lines nice and dark over there. And take it over here and darken that in over there.